Welcome to this detailed tutorial on creating stunning characters using Rodin AI. Today we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of AI-driven character design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have created your very own versions of Mario and a unique cartoon character using Rodin AI. Let's get started. Rodin AI is an advanced artificial intelligence tool designed to help you create and animate characters with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Rodin AI makes it simple to bring your creative ideas to life. With its powerful algorithms and intuitive interface, you can design, customize, and animate characters in no time. First, I upload a cartoon 2D character image to create 3D character of it using Rodin AI. I upload character, and it will take some time to generate 3D model from image. Now on left side, it show me AI generated model of character, and on right side it has many options. But you need Pro account to unlock this service. You can see when I click on anything, it show me I need to upgrade my account from free to Pro. It gives 5 credit to use service free, and each time when you generate a character, it deduct half point. You can click on Redo to regenerate mesh. It give you 9 times to regenerate, and when you confirm your character mesh, it will deduct half point and go further. Character generation will take some time. So wait, now our character is ready, and you can see result is amazing. After that, you need to confirm your character, and it will be available to download. It has to option shaded in PBR, and you can download your character as different format like FBX, OBJ, and many other. I have downloaded my character. Now let's talk about its pricing plans. Like I said before, it gives free 5 credit. And there are 3 other options which you can see here. Starter package is from $24 per month, which gives 30 credit. And next one is $96 per month. You can use education plan for $12 per month. Now let's see its text to 3D character features. I'm going to make Mario character. I just write here a small prompt, and let's see which result it gives to me. First, it will create a 2D image from that prompt, and you can click on Regenerate to create new one. It create a 2D image first, and then you need to select that image to create 3D. Now I select this Mario character and click on Generate. Now we need to wait for our character generation. And now it created a beautiful Mario character, which you can see on left side and right side, show different options. Like earlier, I click on Confirm, and it will start generating further. I already explained this, so you can test these yourself. I downloaded my Mario character, which I created using this AI totally free. It has FBX file, as well as I have texture. And now, you can add this texture in Blender or other 3D software. That's all. This is how you can create a 3D character without using InDesign, modeling, sculpting skill, just by using a 2D image or from text. You don't need to learn and waste your hundreds of hours on 3D game or cartoon character generation process. You can done this just by AI free in few minutes. Thank you for watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.